Did you know there's a company that makes managing money and taxes so simple that even beginners can do it like pros? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Intuit, the brand behind tools that revolutionized how we handle finances. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just someone who hates doing taxes, this video is for you. Welcome to Invest Vision Hub, your go-to channel for smart tips on investments, businesses, and financial tools. Today we're talking about Intuit, a name you might have heard but probably don't fully understand. By the end of this video, you'll see why Intuit is a game changer for managing your finances. Let's get started. 1. What is Intuit? Intuit is a software company that creates tools to simplify financial management. Founded in 1983, its mission is to empower people to take control of their finances. Intuit's most popular products include QuickBooks for businesses, TurboTax for taxes, and Mint for personal budgeting. But what makes them so special? Let's break it down. 2. QuickBooks, the small business hero. If you're a small business owner, you know how stressful managing invoices, expenses, and payroll can be. QuickBooks takes all that stress away. It's an all-in-one accounting solution that helps you track expenses, create invoices, and even prepare for taxes. And guess what? It's designed to be user-friendly, even if you're not a numbers person. 3. TurboTax, making taxes less taxing. Let's face it, taxes are a headache. But TurboTax turns it into a manageable task. With its step-by-step guidance, even people with zero tax knowledge can file their returns confidently. Plus, it offers features like audit protection and live expert advice to give you peace of mind. 4. Mint, your personal finance coach. Managing personal finances has never been easier with Mint. This app tracks your spending, helps you set budgets, and even gives insights on how to save more. Imagine having a financial advisor right in your pocket. 5. Why Intuit is dominating the market. So what makes Intuit stand out? It's their focus on solving real problems for everyday people. They continuously innovate, adding AI and automation to make their tools smarter and faster. Plus, their customer support and integration across platforms make them a trusted choice for millions worldwide. Whether you're running a business, filing taxes, or budgeting for your next vacation, Intuit has a tool for you. They've taken the complexity out of finances and made it accessible to everyone. So, are you ready to simplify your financial life? Try one of Intuit's products today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Invest Vision Hub for more insights like this. Share your experience with Intuit products in the comments below.